pass and move, Ati no shikati no chinjari me groove, pass and move, Mama sita tingo shedera muduze, pass and move.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV. This is your number one program, Pass and Move special, right here at Papa Field Stadium. It's Highlanders Football Club taking on Triangle Football Club as we await the reactions of the fans. This program is proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets, our number one sponsor. Remember to subscribe as a Lucky Bets Panther at luckybets.co.zw. You have to be 18 and above, and please remember to bet responsible. Putwa Mushab, welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Yeah, all right. I'm not talking about Dube, CBD.
Dube, Baba, Dube, alright, Dube.
Yeah.
Mtembo. Nancy game sifiki the Island versus Triangle. Ubona njani game namhla?
Poso 2, Triangle 0. Monga Zambia.
Monga Zambia abahlohla. Awula pressure ukuthi team ayitrainanga.
Hayi andisandaba kakhulu. Kubuya kwethu lapha yiko vele iwini le. Kubuya kwethu la. Siyawina.
All right, asibona after Boras Wonderful.
All right. Sharp
my brother. Sharp. Namhla ngiphahle abomama iMother's Day. Siswa munjani?
Ngiyaphila bhuti wami njani?
Mina ngiziphilele. Happy Mother's Day.
Siyabonga bhuti wami siyabonga. Singamabhoso sithi Happy Mother's Day to abomama bonke abebhoso bese
siyabonga.
Bese sidlulisa nje lo mlayezo kubo bonke abomama worldwide.
Yeah. Siswami
Ninjani?
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Indaba ngalo lenhloni siswami webhoso.
Hayi angidla.
Ibhora selifile Highlanders versus Triangle. Ibona njani game namhla?
Lamhla idraw sifuni. Idraw sifuni bhuti wami lamhla nje makungaso 2-1 ni 1-0. Siyachaya la.
Uvumelana la siswami?
Yeah, siyawina namuhla.
Bhuti wami, i-team uyifakile i-statement laphana German. Usibonile angeke ngikukhumbuze.
Alright cousin, ngiyasibona i-statement sibonakele thina njengama supporters eBhoso asifuni imsindo, sifuni peace. IBhoso yaziwa ngani ngepeace. Highlanders ipeace, singabantu. Ubuntu ngumuntu ngabantu. Siphila sinje so, singabantu singabe peace. Uthi sidliwe siwinile sidrawile sidlala sinje. Highlander ichila moyo. Ayi
nice one. Asibona after Boras Wonderful yabidlala njani?
Siyabesenza khonokho siyabonga.
Nice one.
Siyabonga.
Nice one. Number 1. Kuyililanga labo mama namhla game sifikile Highlanders versus Triangle. Ibona njani game namuhla?
Namhlanje ilanga elihle kabi, ilanga labo mama abasizalayo phela siyabonga lathi siyabonga ukuthi lathi kithi ubaba phela kube mnandi phela lathi sithethe 3 points phela lathi sijabule injongo enjabulo.
Statement seteam mbona lisibonile azidinga ukuthi ngikukhumbuze.
Ya ipeace yafunakala sibele ukuthi sibe sihleleke njenge umuntu azibuthe njengekhwanda ekhabitshi sibili yeziqoqe sibili ukwazi ukuthi ulanda ibhola ungalanda into eziningi njengalokho okwenzakalayo umuntu uyasincedisa thina sesihlabela izingoma ezinjani azifunakala ingoma leziyana kazifunakala nami ngivini ngimi ngusponsor kuyimi emfaka imali noma sengizwe silikhuluma kame ngami ngiyacina ngikhama isikhwama lezi ngisibopha ngithi ayi mana sibonti yabola yini imali yakhona
igame Highlanders versus Triangle isifikile uyibona njani igame namuhla?
Namhlanje vele sizojabula abafana bazositshengisa umdlalo kuphela ngokubona kwami ayisobona umdlalo wamehlo nje ngoba into leyani iround but i3 points lathi vele siyayifuna vele kube injabulo yethu lathi namhlanje.
The prediction
ya into engakutshela yona ukuthi hayi akuba lelanga elihle kuze ke chaya isikhathi sesechayisa sibuye futhi sesibonana futhi sengikhuluma futhi ukuthi hayi sokwenza ke lamhlophe.
All right, chap my brother. My brother.
Yebo kunjani ba?
Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Ayisebo.
Namhla lilanga labo mama.
Hey, happy Mother's Day. Hayi mina ngizokuba ngumalema. No one is going to tell me when to love my mother on what day. I love my mother every day.
Thank you my brother. Highlanders versus Triangle ibona njani game namhla?
Hayi athina siyabuya kuzokwejisa i-team siyayilandela but okuphumele yikho draw.
Ngeke prediction proper.
1-1.
1-1. I-statement isibonakele mbona abantu bazasihlonipha.
Hayi no. I-statement isifike endaweni wrong. umuntu ohlabelayo umuntu abese rankini sikhambile ine rankini sikhambile ine ku 6th Avenue sikhamba
Sabe sikhambile social media uyabe khona umuntu khona ezwe ngabantu besibonini.
hayi bra let people be le sport let people express themselves freely twa social brand leyo kuyenzakala even idimbari yahlabela wanesithi Mandebele mnowapire kodoro so kuyahambelana la khona
All right my brother. Asibone after Bora asibone kuyabe i-draw yakhe yaphuma yini.
okay ngiyabo
Sharp my brother. My brother Sharp.
Nanshap bonjani manje?
Amnandi welcome to Dep3 TV. Namhlalila ngalabo mama.
Ya ke namhlalila nge right thina sikhangela i-team iwin okunye lokhu siyakubona Buddhas but i-team yo singayo la. Ya okunye hayi.
Ngeke i-prediction.
Hey, prediction isanzima manje uthi ngikhuluma. Hayi kuselukhona.
Asibone after Bora. Sharp my brother. My guys keep on.
Ngishaphuta sami hamba njani?
Islanders 1 triangle 0 ubone njani game?
Game ibe right but siqilile. Bokuyifawulu. Labo uyifalo oqiniso uyifawulu. Athi mebedla i-draw but siwinile because team le indala. Lapha siwinile nje ukuthi team njani? I-team enkulu but ama results ayi draw.
Fair result i-draw.
Fair ama results i-draw.
Nice one my brother.
Yeah, sisoke Buddhas.
Sharp. My brother.
Hello, how are you, my guy?
Sharp Buddhas, welcome to Dep3 TV.
Yes, sweet.
Islanders 1.
Yeah, mnandi. But I came a silver level buhlungu. It was painful. I still have fun professionalism from the triangle. I have kuvunyezwa lokho. I-PSA must do something about this. Because as ngesimo uthi sabhulu goalkeeper 25 minutes 30 minutes uthi sabhulu goalkeeper lemeleyo. Asobhora leli. Asobhora but I 3 points.
Nice one, 3 points.
Phakathi. 1 2 3.
My brother.
Sure, my brother.
Keep on.
Siyabonga 3 points from the coach. Into ebuhlungu uthi coach singamsola nje. Fando babo vusa abantwana bakhe bengadlanga ethi begijime 12 kilometers. Yabo? Sicela executive yenzele iclub kahle, yabo? Then sesasori Zimbabwean football, that's paid football. You can waste 45 minutes half of the game ungukeeper ucoach ekwansi ukuthi emsubstitute. Asikho esikubhadalela ibhora leli liyadura lela.
Nice one my brother.
Bafu.
Sharp my brother.
Yabona laba thumla mlapha. Lapha mina ngihappy nge3 points. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Nice one my brother.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Ubona uBrian enkukhu inyoni.
Ilaki. Thank you Thumla.
Sharp my brother.
My brother. Yabona ngutshela. Don't trust to be Trump.
Wala uthoche. Buya Buddhas. Mana uthoche. My brother, welcome to Dep3 TV.
Sure bafu.
Islanders 1 triangle 0.
Yikho phela.
Ibone njani game?
Hayi game ibe right nje para first half abafana abasidlalele inkwethu sibili. First half ayenza ngijabule mina ngoba indlela ade bedlala khona hayi. Ibonisa ukuthi hayi ngabantu abangatholiyo imfanelo.
In second half bekungcono.
Hayi second half kube ngcono especially introduction yama substitute akhe umwaro lapha lohle wafaka vele vibe ngoba kungakabi le 2 minutes vele zihle zakhala.
Ngiyasema brother mana Buddhas la. My brother.
Buddhas.
Usha my brother.
Ngijabula kakhulu.
Ithela wakhala uhappy.
Yazi ukuthi namhlanje ngathi ambuye eBoreni but umthambo yegazi intshele handi mbuye eBoreni. Asibonge.
Islanders 1 triangle 0.
3 points. Nah, thank you very much. I like it Buri.
Akulokunye. Nice one my brother. Mr. Moyo.
Usamoyo zawephosi.
Sharp Mr. Moyo.
Hayi namhla ngihappy but hey. Poor match officiating.
Yes.
What's that?
Poor match officiating.
Aliyaqalisa ukuma from 63 minutes up to 90 minutes. Ngomuntu oyi1. Isokha yethu sasekhatshana but sikhatshana kakhulu yes. Anyway, igame yethu be right especially second half. uBenjani Marwari managed ukuthi atshintshe ama players afaka ama substitute abengcono kakhulu afika avusa igame and sidlale kuhle kakhulu.
Happy 3 points.
Isithabe kakhulu namhlanje.
Nice one my brother.
Thanks Bosa yami.
Sharp Mr. Moyo. Mthawa mama.
Yebhuti.
Umnandi.
Kakhulu mthawa baba.
Namhla 3 points esikhwameni.
Yeah, I'm happy. Ngijabulile injabulo ibhaliwe entokozweni emehlweni ethu sonke silapha. But officiating eZimbabwe i-later down ibhora lethu. Even our boys won't go anywhere because of this poor officiating. Abafana bonke bebe wila ukuthi baye phambili ngebhora. urefu laphana kumele aye attenda umuntu olimeleyo than ube lokho attendana lo mfana lona obe nuisance ground. So showing ukuthi yena nguye obeletha down i-delay liyana nguye ade i-promoter urefu wethu. Urefu wethu sithole iphena in the first 5 minutes emehlweni akhe, he ignored it. Khathesi sithole inye iphena futhi he ignored it because he was trying to cover into engekho. Next time izifa le PSL abake bazame ukubiza abantu. Look at the fourth official, he was wearing his own regalia esingazi ukuthi uyithethe ngela cuff engela zifa officiating eZimbabwe soap.
Let's all my brother. My brother.
Yeah, siyabonga 3 points. La
ukhalandelayo
igame ya draw ukuthi ucoach anti next game asaka draw afana bengabonga embe besenza ama strikers ayi2 wenza ukuthi la kube le pressure ngapi phambili ekushute indaba bazi ngale kwekwe ngale zabe zibuya ngale sifuna 3 points coach and then ku referee angazi ukuthi ibhola lizasisa ngapi bacela bengayo yiko singela ama referee silokho referee one uya ku FIFA indaba zona ezothi abakwazi ndama rules ebhola angazi ube engalazili ibhola langikhona and then okucineni ngithi matches siyabonga ufakile ngale
That's right. Machita lisha matches awufani ibona njani ikhephu
hayi right kodwa hayi izinto ade wezenza ama mistakes lawana urefu ebengayenzi lutho vele umalisayo
ngubonile izolo silifundlalele yayilenda uba khona abanye abadlulela ababonile but the happy kodwa 3 points matches nice one Machita nice one
3 points
nice one Machita Putha
siyabonga mntaka right
I'm 19 awufa happy
3 points sitholile but ibhora first half hayi athi khona but athi ingachazi kangaka nje athi idlala but athi ngekho mnandi kangaka ref la lapha usilimazile lapha i-team ayengeke ikhangela lo senukhipha oyi1 because ukhangela u-team angeke ikhangela ukhipha oyi1 methi ngabe kufa komunye ukhipha 2 sibe sesikhuluma executive ebhoso istatement lana esiyenzileyo lesiyana singama supporters ebhoso bona bengakabi khona ugwindi uyakwazi amhlabelela ugwindi isakhulume ku-chairman so please yazi even lobi ipolice kulokuthi yakubona lapho uChama nje kulesikhathi ukuthi lawe yabona ukuthi lapha mana ngithiyane la khwanje vele lokhana vele kuvele iculture yethu vele bikhona so please executive ebhoso futhi ayikho serious nathi sikhayile ukuthi yakhuluma ngendaba ukuthi ama players astrikeeleni yinto ade sikhangelele boom ubona bebuya le statement sabe singekho 1 sikwazi ukuthi silobani Thombani usivayo antu 2 sokulobani uThombani lo uTagure antu isagunda 3 siloyela usenil better man 3 sile better by antu so ama players are strike kanjani hayi lokhana ukuhambi antu so bona yiba abangekho serious sicelani
mana ngizwe la uTandube bavumelana lawo
athi chomlami
my brother ushap
it's been a while ngingakhulumanga right
Nkosi
yami siyabonga ukuthi namhla sikwini lesibili siyakuwina khonoko kodwa ngicela ukuthi ngikhulume ama players at strikeile i-Highlanders iposte something ku page lapha kuthiwa kumele abantu behlabele lokho bengahlabele lokho kodwa ngicela ukukhuluma iqiniso mdala wami kathi kontaba kayikhonja lana imali sibili yabuya yini kuboss no ngicouthi
mina ngikwazi mana ngizwe
mana entando ngicela ukubuza
mina uPutas lo khulume uqala lo ngithanda uvumelana la oqala ithi khona executive bayithi siyakwazi ukukhathela okwesibili ngicela ukubuza ukuthi nxa kuthiwa Mandebere Munobapire Kotoro banonetsa kubadakwa i-tribalism iba khona nxa kutheni i-applya nga ababhadala ama-players abaphuma abadala laba they shouldn't come and talk nonsense iqiniso elikhona because i-team leyanti we should have honored i-triangle is why do we have over 15 minutes of stoppage play udokotela abuyazo ukuthi uThomloka limalanga bazoyenza into ezinje oqala iZimbabwe i1 akula muntu wrong right ezinto ezizana but ngitsho ukuthi why iHighlander kuyiyo kuthiwa ile tribalism Mandebere Munobapire Ikotoro banonetsa abadakwa ingaphi tribalism khona ngikukhuluma mdala vote uthola njani
right into emfuyo iqeda mdala ukuthi kanti kontaba kayikhonjwa sibili usponsor wethu ngithi ngontaba kayikhonjwa ngoba ngicela ukuthi ungizwisise right asitoliko ngicela ukuthi ngibuza ukuthi imali sibili yakuya yini lapha
ngoba sesolana sigijimisana sixoxanisana laba imali laphana amboni ukuthi yabuya yonke laphana abadala kumele bekhulume iqiniso bebe lesibindi sokuthi bekhulume iqiniso ngoba kulathwa right iDynamos kade sebekuthiwa istrikeini iHighlanders istrikeini kodwa ama sponsors are the same kuhamba njani 1+1 mtala ngubani
1+1 is equals to 11. Mdala sicela ukuthi thina njengama supporters eHighland siyagada siyabhodala siyafika endaweni. Mdala wami njenge supporter leBhoso mina ngiyahlabelela nxa ngingaphi langa laba ngicela ukuthi siqondise iquestion. Umahashi gachaye inethi phakathi engadlali idefensive adlalele ngangangale yafaka ibhora phakathi.
Mana yizu Vetis umbele yavumela. Vetis,
thank you so much.
Yavumela no Puras.
Uyakwazi ukuthi mina ngifuna ukukucela into eyi-1 Pura yami. Ende mina ngakhuluma into eyi-1 and ende umahachi ngamkhulumela ukuthi khona umahachi bamfaka sokusele 3 minutes uya understand bathi beqeda lapho babe bezombazela insimbi emuva ngale bazitshela ukuthi yena umahachi kasoza kwanise lapha ensimbini kathethi insimbi leyani uyayibaza umahachi umbona ukuthi uyenzani umahachi. This is very nice mahachi, keep it up lokho okwenzayo uyazi siyakuthanda babe kuzonda ende imali leyi abayidlayo abayenza ukuthi khona ama players engakwanisa ukuthi azadlala ibhora nikezanini ama players imali ukuthi akwanisa ukuthi adlala ibhora. Akula muntu wakwathi khona ekhombisa umfazi waqeda lapho wangamnikeza imali uyakuyana umfazi ayekhomba omunye umuntu asiqede iplayer lebhora lifanana lo mfazi wakho omkhombisileyo wamsondeza eduze. Sicela libanikeza imali ama players ebhora ukwenzela ukuthi bekwanisa ukuthi labo bayenza into abayifunayo hayi khona ukuthi khona kathi very nice.
Mana yizu Pujas.
Amachono balela bathandekayo mina ngingudube isekela ndaba into engisolayo ukuthi abafana bayagijima siyababona kodwa indaba benganikwa okubafaneleyo kade sibhizi siyakhuzwa ukuthi singahlabeli lokho izinto esilisiko esikhule ngakho sibadala singaka sihlabela khona lokho ngabanikwe imfanelo zabo abafana sibakhuze sibajabulise sibanike idlabuzane ngalokho esikhule ngakho yikho ngilakho mfowethu namhlanje.
Nice one my brother
kuhle sifuna uPrince angene phakathi ngendlela iBhoso edlala ngayo sifuna ukuthi ube right kuphiri bakithi
mana yizu Pujas buya Pujas nyawuni Pujas yami usmart Pujas.
Danko ngiyabonga bhuti wami.
Highlanders 1 triangle 0 ubone njani game?
Ya sidlalile sibili nje kodwa uBenji kumele ebe le information edlalela ukuwina engadlalela ama draw.
Baliwinile namhlanje.
Ya i3 points izithethe kodwa zisijabulisa 3 points zakhona uphonga ungalibhora lemahlangeni elipho ungena isibhubhubhu kuyabe ungavuma thina mela sidlale siwazi ukuthi sidlalelana. Yes yena uBenji ugood for coaching ngoba uleluze eyi-1 eCaps United asingeke sithi so coach that's a good coach uBenji akulo kuningi engakukhuluma.
Nice one my brother. Hayi kanti kanti ofa
sawubona mfowethu
member etha abuye awushap buye ngikhuza lo lokuqhuba phambi kwecamera nakuningi
wathi I wish
ngibalofu ukukhuluma yimi
I wish
mana phela ukukhuluma lo muntu oyi-1 at a time. My brother shap
mina ngishap ngifuna
Islander 1 triangle wanibonile njani game?
Hayi for the overall and namhla suku experience namhla ngiyakwazi but hayi yabona sikhipha imali eningi $5 is a lot of money but namhlanje ngikhala ngeofficiating ama-officials ethu were very poor esukwenzela namhlanje is not good and ngiyazibuza ukuthi kanti umthetho uthini ngokuthi ma kule treatment eyenzakala kuplayer ku-ground how can a person etreatwe 40 minutes zonke ekufield elokhu etreatwa but lokhana is not good football. Ngiyacela ukuthi i-PSL ngayikuboni lokwenzekele namhlanje cela ikulungisise this is not football yakwazi i-$5 is a lot of money imali eningi kakhulu esuka ngayo ezidlini i-team le siyayithanda thina
kakhulu
sacrifice izinto eziningi ukuthi sibe la and okwenzakale namhlanje of course sitholile 3 points but I'm not happy ngento eyenzakale namuhla ngiyacela sibili ukuthi even uzifa president uMagwizi mbambani maye kukhangela canda lihlungisisa ibhora lethu namhlanje siyangisile 25 minutes yipi ibhora lekwalibona lisezinto njalo ngiyacela of course ngiyacela kukho konke ngicela sikulungisisa ibhora lethu namhlanje sizale poor poor match kuyi-3 eZimbabwe yenzakale namuhla of course abantu bengajabula ibhosi iwinile kodwa this was a poorest match kuma-match okangawatcha kuleague eZimbabwe. Thank you.
Nice one, my brother
mina ansela okuningi okukhuluma ikade mfuka ukutsho lokho okwenziwe ngurefu namuhla lokho kubutasa akukho ebhoreni yabo angazi mbe besithiya mbe befundisa enzeni but isibekelile bayenza abakufunayo yabo wasted something like 25 to 30 minutes isilinda ugoalkeeper lo omunye chayi warm up lapha so mina ngithi amhlophe ethi ubhoso siwinile chila moya asipheli moya yebo bekuyilahla besidraw besenzani but okusalayo namhla siwinile sa celebrate.
Nice one, my brother. Buya mama split.
Thina okwenzakele namuhla abalandeli beboss
mana bafo ushap
ngiright bafo sharp thina okwenzakele namhla abasalandeli beboss sibonga nje i3 points but in terms of football I think kumele bakukhandisise kahle akula bhoro kwathiwa 80 minutes 25 minutes and ugoalkeeper lwana ulimele kudala bemele ukuthi ngaba bamsabhle kudala bamkhipha bangenisa omunye ugoalkeeper wabantu but thina ama supporters eBhoso namuhla we are happy ngewin but according to football asiyithandi lani into yenza ke
uvumelana nePutas
mina ngihappy ngewin anti but indaba ekhona anti mina abafana bami ambasoli ansoli coaching ansoli bafana but abazameni ukukhuphula ama socks both executive azama ukukhuphula ama socks zama ukutshintsha utshintsho singathathela ucoach ama decision ngendlela engayisiyo ngoba sikubulala thina singomthwakazi kusiyas affect ezinhlizweni zethu ngoba iBhoso isezinhlizweni zethu sazala nayo sikhula nayo mina ansoli ama players noma edlisa edrawisa angibasoli ngisola iboard executive ngitsho bonke abahola itechnical director abazama ukukhophula ama socks asiphela abafana imali zabo ukuze besinike ama good results thengani ama player executive khiphani imali lithenge ama player thenge istrike force ezanikeza ama good results hayi lokho esikwenzayo njengamanje siyazihlekisa thina singomthwakazi.
Nice one, my brother.
Ngabantu
nice one, my brother. 2 seconds sengiqede 2 minutes mina my brother
mina ngifuna ukukhuluma deep into engiyifisayo ukuthi iBhoso mayidlala le triangle ama under 19 e triangle leBhoso abe against Bhoso and then we are developing those juniors players and it's not about who we are who we have money. But if we have the league, our teams maybe they're 16, if our teams lawana my 16, my post that trying, I'm junior post, I'm under 19 adlale post.
Uvumelana
haya into ekunywa ngobhodiyo kodwa abafana abaphiwe imali zabo phela kathi wa right bona abafana why is it every game kumele beqale bengatrain sebengaphiwa imali sebezadlala hayi no man.
Nice one Machita nice one man ngathi what bese nrip up mana ngithathe bona labo ucina. My brother ushap
Putas.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Thank you very much ngicela ngilandela ngiyabonga.
Nice one my brother. Island 1 triangle 0 ubone njani game?
Yazingana into ebuhlungu wonke ama game esinga train yesi striker siyawina kuchona ngiqedile.
UPutas uthi wonke ama game alinga trainiwe liyawina kuchona.
Hayi asikwazi kukuye lokho but today we the situation that triangle goalkeeper we are undermine Zifa. Ungeke ulale wena ibhora 20 minutes. Orefu labo lineman le match commissioner bengayenzi ieffort ukuthi what uyomele replace okudala umuntu lwa. So mayisenzani? izifo ithini nge-action wena la kuyabhowa lokho akuchazi ibhora phela lokho 5 minutes ubona umuntu lokho elala kakhitshwe phela we-undermine ibhola leZimbabwe phela siyangaphi njengeZimbabwe siyangaphi.
Nice one, my brother.
Siyangaphi.
Nice one, my brother. Nice one, my brother. Nice one.
Ngikhohle something.
Semvala.
No, uyabona abathethe ngithi umbone live. Isikhathi uyahlala umbona kuma news. Bafowethu. Kusatha sizakhala thina sithi ama players athathwa ngoScotty, athathwa abama team. Abafana babalambile bafuna imali. Akulanja engakhonkotha ilambile. Lokho yakwazi nje yakho wena ayikhonkoti ilambile. Manje iyaqiniseka udla kwamakhelwane. So kuyawonga ukuthi abafana bebhosi umuntu umongameli azothola uScotty semfuna ichance yakhe kamthathe manje ethatha imali. Ngoba abadala laba bebhosi abaphezulu badlela abafana izimali.
Namphosa bathi umjolo wankona eSuthu.
No, mina imali anje angikafiki ku stage ukuthi ngibadlela imali. Kodwa lami ngikhona kwambana.
Vele mboniso.
Ngikhona kwambana kodwa imali angikayihli. Abafana abaphiza imali bhutasi yonke into ihamba online.
Nice one, my brother.
Danko.
Nice one, my brother. Semvala. So it has been another exciting episode here at Barberfield Stadium. It finished Highlanders 1, Triangle 0. Please remember to like, subscribe, and engage us in the comment section. This episode was proudly brought to you by Lucky Pets, our #1 sponsor.
Pass and move, Atino Shikatino Jinjari me groove, pass and move, Mama Sita Tingo Shakara Mutuze, pass and move.